How to recover InShot deleted video. So first of all, you will have to open the InShot, and like I'm clicking on this video section. So I'm trying to upload this video. So like you can see, it shows it could not load some clip in draft because the original files are no longer available. It means that the video has been deleted from my device. So now you have to do a trick here. So you have to go to your gallery, and then you have to go to the recycle bin where you find the deleted video from your gallery, and here you have to recover the deleted video from your gallery. So simply click on it and click on the restore button. Now the video has been restored. So now the video has been recovered in InShot. Let me check, and here you can see the video has been recovered in InShot. Likewise, you can also recover the deleted video on InShot. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon just below there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.